Beloved child, hear these words, for they come from the heart of your Creator. I am the one who spoke the galaxies into existence, who breathed life into the dust to form humanity. Today, I come to you with a promise, a prophetic word to resonate in the depths of your soul. From the dawn of time, I have been the author of restoration. My hand, gentle yet powerful, is at work in the tapestry of your life. Just as I breathed life into the first man, just as I shaped the mountains and filled the oceans, I am restoring all things. The brokenness that mars your existence, the fractures in your spirit, these are not beyond my reach. In the quiet moments when you feel alone, remember this: I am with you. In the chaos of life's storms, know that I am the calm at the center. Your world may seem torn and tattered, but I am the weaver who can mend every tear. Trust in my promise, for I am faithful to complete the work I have begun. Let your eyes see beyond the present circumstances. In your life, where wounds have left scars, I am the healing balm. In your relationships, where love has grown cold or trust has waned, I am the reconciler. In your world, where chaos reigns, I am the order bringer. I am not a distant deity, indifferent to your struggles. I am intimately involved in the details of your existence. Your life is not a random assortment of events. It is a canvas upon which I am painting a masterpiece. Trust me with the brushstrokes, even when the colors seem dark and the canvas feels chaotic. Patience, my child, is a virtue born from trust. Trust that I am working in the unseen, the quiet places where transformation takes root. Just as a seed must endure the darkness of the soil before breaking through into the light, so too must you trust in the unseen work I am doing in your life. Restoration is a process, not an instant event. In the waiting, do not grow weary. Your impatience does not hasten my hand. Rather, it is in the stillness of trust that my work unfolds. The caterpillar does not rush the metamorphosis into a butterfly. It surrenders to the process. So too, surrender your impatience to me and let trust be your guide. Remember, I am not bound by time as you are. What may seem like delay in your eyes is an opportunity for growth in mine. The acorn does not become an oak overnight, but in time, it becomes a mighty tree. Trust me in the process, and you will see the beauty of restoration unfold. In the moments of doubt, when the world's clamor threatens to drown out my still, small voice, hold fast to the assurance that I am at work. The potter shapes the clay with purpose, and every trial you face is a step toward the masterpiece I am creating. Trust that I, who began a good work in you, will bring it to completion. As you navigate the complexities of relationships, remember that I am the ultimate healer of hearts. Where there is brokenness, I bring wholeness. Where there is discord, I bring harmony. Trust me to mend the bonds that have frayed and to restore the beauty of love. And in the grand tapestry of your world, where the threads of chaos seem to pull at the seams, trust that I am the master weaver. I am orchestrating a symphony from the discordant notes of life. What may appear as random threads are, in my hands, part of a design that transcends your understanding. Be patient, for I am weaving a story of redemption, and every thread has a purpose. This is not a passive trust, but an active surrender. In the quiet moments of prayer, lay before me your burdens. Release the need to control and allow my perfect will to unfold. As you surrender, you make room for my grace to transform. The caterpillar surrenders to the cocoon, and in that surrender, it emerges as a butterfly. So too, in your surrender, you will find the wings of freedom and transformation. Trust me, not with a hesitant hope, but with a bold confidence that stems from knowing the nature of your Father. I am not a distant deity. I am a loving Father who desires the best for his children. Trust in my love, for it is unchanging and unwavering. My promises are not empty. They are rooted in the unshakable foundation of my character. And when the road seems long and the night feels dark, remember that I am the light that guides your steps. The journey may be challenging, but I am with you. My presence is your comfort, and my spirit is your guide. In trust and patience, you will find strength beyond your own. Amen.